it is way too early, even though it's like noon. My bumblebee. So, what are you doing? Get off me, bumblebee. I'm a mean angry bird. Why, hello there. Aw, Marty, don't chase him. Good morning to you, too. Like, don't chase my BFF. No, he's a nice fella. This kitchen's like so bright, and all our cupboards are open because they was painted yesterday. Like, we're getting somewhere. I just realized I'm a loner! My brother's not home. My mom's not home. My dad's not home. When you look out your house, out your window, and there's no cars and no one's in their bed, they were burglars. I am loving the sun, and the snow's kind of melting, I think. Like, my mom has the windows open, so it can't be that cold, right? I don't even know. Oh, my stomach hurts. I should take my medication today because Ghosty here, I forget about it. Where is it? Oh, crap. Crap. My eyes look so bad. I don't know why I'm making this face. So, day 4 of kitchen renos, and my mom painted the cupboards, and we used to have these weird light blue knobs, but we're putting these on, and my mommy's home! My mommy's home, guys! Roar! Just sitting here together with my best friend. And Oreo see ghosts. Oreo sees ghosties? Do you see ghosties? What's going on? I just want some loving. I've been a loner down in this basement for days. And when you go to work, I'm all alone. And that dog, it keeps getting worse and worse and worse day by day. However, you're happy, but you're probably hyper. You're probably really hyper. Aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Thank you for the kisses, Marty. The camera loves you. Day 6. Tomorrow, 1 whole week of vlogging. I can't believe it. And I think I'm going to try to go for another whole week. I mean, the last 2 days have been really lame. But, yeah, I kind of like them. I like the aspect of, like, a year from now, I can go back and look at videos and see what I was doing and what my life was like. And Oreo, you're in a boxy woxy? Please don't be doing what I think you're doing. Good boy. Good boy. It's all clear. He's camera shy. He went through the crack. Boxy woxy. I think I have a video on this channel actually of him in a boxy woxy. A boxy woxy. And I think we had a song for it too, if I remember. Marty, stop sniffing walls? Like, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with my family? So my brother called like 15 minutes ago to say he was almost done league bowling. My mommy forgot about him. Life is too awesome.